All right, you're probably picturing Koh Samui, pristine beaches, turquoise waters, the quintessential tropical paradise.
Yeah, the classic image.
And you wouldn't be wrong, it's breathtakingly beautiful. But if you think that's all there is, well, you're only seeing the surface. Today, we're peeling back those layers to uncover Samui's true essence. A vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of history, profound spiritual beliefs, unique traditions, and, trust me, some of the most incredible food you'll ever taste.
Exactly. This deep dive is our journey to reveal the island's beating heart.
Okay.
We'll explore how its remarkable past has profoundly shaped its present, and most importantly, why truly understanding these cultural nuances isn't just interesting.
Right.
It's what transforms a casual holiday into an absolutely unforgettable, immersive experience. You'll leave with a nuanced understanding of what makes Samui.
So let's cast our minds way back, all the way to the 6th century. It might surprise you, but Samui was settled incredibly early.
Yeah, really early.
By fishermen from the Malay Peninsula and southern China. For centuries, this island existed in remarkable isolation.
Total isolation, pretty much.
Imagine. It didn't even appear on maps until 1687, listed then as Pulo Cornum.
Wow.
And get this, it lacked proper roads until the early 1970s. A mere 15-kilometer journey could easily be a full-day trek.
A whole day. And it's precisely that isolation, centuries long, that forged Samui's incredibly unique culture.
Makes sense.
Even the island's name, Samui, carries a bit of a historical whisper. While Koh simply means island in Thai, the origin of Samui itself has two main theories.
Oh.
One suggests it comes from mui, a native tree. The other proposes it's from the Malay or Chinese word sabawe, both meaning safe haven or refuge.
Interesting. Safe haven.
Yeah. This historical remoteness allowed its identity to develop with minimal external influence, creating a distinctive island character.
For a very long time, that island identity was deeply intertwined with one particular crop. Samui earned the nickname Coconut Island for a reason.
Oh yeah, definitely. Coconuts everywhere.
It was, and still is, absolutely brimming with coconut palms. Historically, it was predominantly a massive coconut plantation, and at its peak, Samui was actually one of the world's largest producers.
One of the largest, yeah.
This wasn't just a cash crop, it was the very lifeblood of the island's economy and its people's way of life.
That foundational reliance on coconuts then set the stage for Samui's next major evolution, the dramatic pivot to tourism.
Right, the big shift.
It's truly insightful how Samui successfully transitioned from a monocrop economy to a global tourism hub. The first tourists, largely hippies, arrived in the 1970s, drawn to its raw, unspoiled beauty.
The backpacker trail.
Exactly. Then the 1980s saw significant development: hotels, the airport, ferry connections. Yet crucially, Samui managed to avoid the common pitfalls of over-tourism by consciously preserving its core community spirit and local traditions.
That's key.
It's a delicate balance few destinations achieve.
And speaking of spirit, let's dive into the soul of Samui. Its spirituality, folklore, and iconic landmarks. It's fascinating how traditional animistic beliefs, the idea that spirits inhabit natural objects, aren't separate from, but rather intertwined with, Thai Buddhist practices.
Completely intertwined.
Forming a unique spiritual tapestry that governs daily life.
This creates a rich blend you'll see everywhere. Trees where spirits are believed to reside, for instance, are often protected with colorful ribbons.
I've seen those.
And you might even see silk outfits left as gifts for female guardian tree spirits, known as Nang Mai and Nang Takian.
Wow.
The serpent, or Naga, also holds immense symbolic importance in Thai folklore and Buddhist teachings. At Namwang Waterfall, for example, a spirit tree resembling a Naga is honored with ornate decoration.
Like a serpent shape.
Yeah, it connects to the ancient legend of a cobra sheltering Buddha during meditation. These aren't just old tales, they're living beliefs that shape daily interactions with the land.
Beyond these deeply rooted spiritual underpinnings, Samui is home to some truly iconic landmarks, each with its own captivating story. You simply can't miss the majestic 12-meter-high golden Big Buddha statue, Wat Phra, a must-see. It's a powerful symbol of spiritual solace, and the panoramic views from there are absolutely stunning.
And then there's the mummified monk, Luang Por Dang, at Wat Kunaram.
Oh, that's fascinating.
His body, remarkably well preserved in a meditative position, stands as a testament to profound spiritual devotion. The methods used for his preservation remain a mystery, adding to the island's mystique.
Seriously, they don't know how.
Nope, still a mystery. Elsewhere, the intriguing Hin Ta and Hin Yai rocks, known as the grandfather and grandmother rocks,
Yes, those ones.
are natural formations uncannily resembling male and female genitalia. Their legend tells of shipwrecked grandparents who perished but turned into stones as a continuing pledge of their devotion.
Quite the story.
These landmarks are more than just sites. They're living chapters in Samui's captivating story, blending history, belief, and nature.
And as you travel across the island, you'll notice Koh Samui has this really unique architectural conversation happening. It's a fascinating blend of its heritage and its modern aspirations.
Indeed. This blend reflects more than just utility. It embodies Thailand's deep respect for harmony with nature and its modern embrace of global aesthetics.
How so?
Traditional Thai houses, for example, are typically elevated on stilts for protection and air circulation,
Right, the classic style.
featuring multi-tiered roofs and ornate woodwork designed to integrate seamlessly with the natural environment. In stark contrast, modern luxury villas and resorts.
Which you also see a lot of now.
Exactly. Reflecting Samui's evolution as a global destination, often feature expansive glass facades, infinity pools, and a strong focus on sustainability, incorporating elements like green roofs and rainwater harvesting.
So old meets new.
It's a fascinating architectural dialogue between past reverence and future vision.
Now, let's talk about celebrating life on the island, because Koh Samui's vibrant festival scene is something you absolutely have to experience to truly understand the local spirit.
Oh, definitely. The festivals are amazing.
We have to start with the Songkran Festival, which marks the Thai New Year. If you're there, get ready for a wet and wild 2-day water festival.
Prepare to get soaked.
Think water guns, buckets of ice-cold water, and sometimes even colored talcum powder. If you venture outdoors, you will get soaked, but it's pure joy.
It really is. In beautiful contrast to Songkran's exuberance is the serene Loi Krathong Festival.
Ah, the one with the little boats.
That's it. Loi means to float, and Krathong refers to a floating object, traditionally crafted from banana tree trunks. Celebrated on the full moon night of the 12th Thai lunar month, people float these miniature boats, adorned with candles and offerings.
This looks beautiful.
While traditionally a way to honor water spirits, it's now largely a picturesque display of beauty and community, especially enchanting at Choing Lake, as thousands of lights drift across the water. And then there's the Sart Festival, a memorial day for the dead, influenced by Indian Brahmanistic culture. A significant aspect is the preparation of Krayasat.
Kameyasat.
Yeah, a sweet, sticky paste of rice, sesame, peanuts, and sugar wrapped in banana leaves, offered as a sign of respect to ancestors.
Interesting connection to ancestors. Beyond the big names, Samui also nurtures some unique, lesser-known but equally significant local traditions and celebrations.
Absolute.
Take the Loi Crow ceremony, for instance, aimed at symbolically floating away misfortune. Or the Chak Phray Festival, where beautifully adorned Buddha images are paraded on floats, showcasing deep respect and faith across the island.
You'll find events like the Buffalo Fighting Festival.
Okay, that sounds intense.
Well, unlike what some might imagine, this is not about violence in the way you might think. It involves two buffaloes with decorated horns fighting each other in a show of strength, but with no human involvement in the actual confrontation. These matches are held on special occasions like New Year's Day and Songkran,